Okay, day 3, video 2. As you can see, we're home, and my emotions are slightly anxiety ridden just with now looking at what we brought with us, what we have now brought home, and the fact that I have to get it cleaned and I have to do all the things and blah blah blah. It took probably a good hour, hour and a half after getting everything in the house to just sit and let the fur kids just swarm, if you will. Some of them are angry at us. Some of them are angry if we move. So, it's definitely heartwarming and, makes me happy that at least they missed us, I guess, because sometimes I wonder whether or not they have a better time when we're gone, what they do when we aren't here. Let's see. Emotion wise, I'm kind of nervous about getting back to work, getting kind of into old habits with things, not really taking advantage of what I've learned on this trip. But, I guess I'll just have to see how that goes when it goes. And hopefully, not sink back into that comfort, quote unquote, comfort zone of the anxiety of my and the very rigid schedule that I have at work or that I place on myself. And maybe look at changing some things. So, we'll see how things go. Still not able to check my email, so server at work still must be being worked on, which is actually really nice. I'm starting to think that maybe I won't be doing that when I'm on vacation on the weekends when I'm not at work, but we'll see how that really goes too. Right now I feel more like, with the anxiety attached to everything, I feel a little bit more like when I was a kid coming home from everything. You just want to just be done, but my parents would, I'd have to make sure everything gets straightened up and put away and everything else. My brother would, I don't know, start some sort of argument, and then he would leave the house, so it would be on me to get stuck with doing all the stuff and everything else. But it's kind of probably why I learned to have such disdain for vacations throughout my adulthood, at least until now. So we'll see how this goes future-wise. But anyway, yep, that's it. Bye.